Good morning, dear student. How are you? I hope you all are well. Once again, welcome back to all in our part 3 of basic concept in geometry. Today we are going to learn practice set 1. In practice set 1, there are the 4 questions, but today we will begin with our question number 3 because it is very much related to our basic, which we have studied in our last part. See, in question number 3, it is given match the following, and 2 columns is given here. The first column is group A and second column is given group B. Now you can see here some figures are given here and the name of the figure is given in group B. Now we have to match the correct pair here. See here in first diagram, at the end of the line segment, 2 arrow is given here, and we have already studied in our part 2. If 2 arrow is there, then it will be your line. Okay, so the answer of first is line. So we will write here in answer, the answer of first question is line. Now see your second figure. At a line, in a line, 2 end point is given here, so it means it is line segment, as we have studied in our last part. So it is your line segment. The answer of second question is line segment. Now here a flat surface is given here, and we have already studied that whatever it is a flat, it is always your plane. So its answer will be plane. So the answer of third figure is plane. Now at the, finally the fourth one, here at one point is given, end point is given, and 1 arrow is given. So it is your ray, because ray has 1 end point and 1 arrow. So it will be your ray. So this we have already studied in our part 2, and it is our related to our basic concept. Now we are able to do our question number 1 based upon this. See, a figure is given here, and we have to here find out collinear points, ray, line segment and line. This much we have to find from this given figure. Now collinear point. What do we mean by the collinear point? When 2 or more than 2 points lie on a single straight line, then it is known as your collinear point. Here you can see MOT. It is more than 2 points. Okay. What we have to understand here, when more than 2 points lie on a single straight line, then the given point is known as collinear point. So here MOT. So your first collinear point will be point M, point O, point T, and one more collinear point is here, RON. So point R, point O, point N, R, collinear point. Collinear points. So in this figure, there is only 2 collinear points is given. First collinear point is MOT and second one is RON. Now move towards your second question, rays. Now we know about the rays which have 1 end point and 1 arrow point. So you can see here OP, ON, OT, OS, OR and OM will be your ray, because it has 1 end point and 1 arrow. Okay, so which one is here? Ray OP, ray, ON, ray, OT, ray, OS, ray, OR, and ray, OM will be your rays. Now the third one is given here, line segment. Line segment means what? Which have two end point, as you can see here. See, OM, OP, ON, OT, OS, OR, and one more, MT and RN. It have also two end points given here. So this all will be your line segment. So you will write here seg OP, seg ON, seg OT, seg OS, seg OR, seg OM, and one more, MT and RN. So you can write here seg MT and seg RN. This all will be your line segment. Now your fourth one is line. Line means what? Which have a two arrow point is given in the questions. See, you can see here arrow is here also, and here arrow is here also. So MT will be your line. Similarly RN, it have a two arrow point here, so it will be your line. But what about this? No, this is not your line, because it have only one end point and one arrow is given here. So it is your ray, not a line. So line is only two here. First one is MT and second one is RN. So you will write here answer line MT and line RN. Now move towards your second question, and it is very easy, dear students. Write the different names of the line given below. We have given here a line, and the point on this line are given A, point B, point C, and point D. And we have to write down here all different names of the lines which may be possible here. To see, we can write this line like this, line AB. We can also write this line AC. Similarly, we can write it line AD. And how in other way it is possible? Line BC, line BD, line CD. Now any possibility is left here? I think there is no any possibility. AB, AC, AD. Similarly BC, BD, and finally it is CD. If we will going to write in opposite way DC, then it will be similar to your line CD. Okay, so this much possibility is here. So here your question number 2 is over. Now move towards your question number 4. Observe the following figure given below and answer the following question. See, this is the figure given here, and as we can see in figure, line A, line B, and line C. All three lines are intersecting at a point A. So this will be your concurrence point, and this all will be your concurrent line. Similarly, you can see here line P and line Q both are intersecting at a point D. So this will be your concurrence point, and this will be your concurrent line. Now in that we have to write down first parallel lines. Now among all these lines, which one is the parallel lines? Now we know what is the parallel line. A line which do not intersect each other in the same plane is known as parallel line. So here you can say, see, line B, line M and line Q. These all three lines are parallel to each other. So first one, line B, line M, line Q, and one more thing you can see here, line A and line P. These both lines will be also parallel to each other. So here line A, line P are parallel lines. This much possibility is here. Now if you observe carefully, there is no other possibility of parallel lines. Okay, now move towards your concurrent line. Now just now I told you a concurrent line means what? At a point, see, when more than two lines are intersecting at a particular point, so all lines are known as concurrent line. Here you can see line A, line B and line C. Okay, all three lines are intersecting at a point A. So these all lines will be known as your concurrent line. So which one lines are here? First, line A, line B, line C, and you can see also here line P and line Q, both are intersecting at a point D. So P and Q will be your concurrent line. So line P and line Q are concurrent lines. Now your last one is points of concurrence. Now you can see here in diagram, all line A, B, C are intersecting at point A. So this point A will be your point of concurrence. So you can write your answer in this way. Concurrence point A is for line A, line B, line C, and point D is for line P and line Q, as you can see in the figure. The concurrence point D is for line P and line Q. So here your practice set 1 is over. If you have any doubts in practice set 1, you can ask me in our personal group, which is created for SPN students. So I hope you all understand this video. So I'm going to stop my video here. Thank you very much. Bye.